Okay, 7th grade, this is video 2 about your coat of arms project. So you should obtain this worksheet from the front of the room or from the substitute. Page 1 is all the rubric requirements, how you're going to earn 50 points. And then page 2 and 3 are where you're writing and drawing. So this is one of our art pieces for the A in STEAM. A coat of arms is a family crest or a family seal in the United Kingdom or Scotland that kind of sometimes is a plaid, has a symbol. We're going to use it to display things about ourselves and our family. So if you go on the rubric, up at the top is going to tell you what you have to put in each box. So box 1, it says is something that represents someone who is special to you. A teacher, a friend, a pet, a relative. You can draw anything that represents that person or thing or animal. Space 2 is something to represent your favorite hobby: baseball, swimming, texting, reading. You're going to draw something in that space to represent that, taking our time, making it look very neat and colorful. Space 3, something to represent something you're really good at: volunteering, babysitting, sports, math, and you're going to draw something to represent that. Space 4 is going to be something to represent something you're proud of or thankful for: your family, an award, an accomplishment, your vision in Ms. Watts's case. And step 5, something to represent what you're afraid of or nervous about: spiders, failing a class, asking questions. I don't like cold weather. So something you're afraid of in this box. Okay, so back to the rubric. I need to put my family name, that's my last name, on that. I also need to put my name, date, and class grade, so 7th grade, on the top of each paper. So I'm going to do that on every paper: name, date, grade. I need to make sure that my project is full of color. I'm earning 10 points for it being full of color. So making sure every square is nice, neat, colored background, the whole thing. I'm going to fill all 5 space requirements with drawings. Okay, we're going to put all 5 spaces. We have something in each of them that represents the 5 things at the top. Neatness is going to count because this is our art piece. We need to be neat, take our time, straight lines. Everything is drawn nice and neat as we can. And then a paragraph. We're going to write a paragraph explaining what is in each box. So that's a minimum of 5 sentences, especially because there's 5 boxes. And then we said name, date, and grade. So taking 1 minute to explain the paragraph. For instance, in my paragraph, I would say in space 1, I placed a drawing of my mom. I drew a heart with the words mom across it to represent that my mom is my most special person. In box 2, I put running shoes because running is my favorite hobby. So you can see how the paragraph is going to go. In space 3, I drew, and so you're just explaining what you put and why in each of the 5 spaces. So that's 5 easy sentences. They basically write themselves. You just have to check for punctuation and spelling and grammar. Okay? And this project is due to the drawer by Friday for 50 points. Okay, so it shouldn't be very hard. You should be able to finish it in this class period, but you have till Friday, and you'll have time to work on it Friday if you'd like as well. I will be out both days. Okay, and so if you have any questions, feel free to email them.